Hello. Hello. We'll start this tour of the Chemistry and Biochemistry Department in McCardell Bicentennial Hall at the north end of the fourth floor. And this is a student study area with a view to the west. Those are the Adirondacks. And a view to the north up to Burlington. This is a study area where students can work some problems on the board, study together. Around the corner here, we have our departmental office and a little kitchenette. This is where Judy Mayer, our department coordinator, works and helps run the entire show for us. And this here is our wall of photographs of all of our majors that go all the way back to 1989 and right up to present. And our current majors, we have photographs of them right across from those. And these are our faculty up at the top here in the department. So we all like to share with everyone who's in the department and what we're all working on. Now I'm walking down the hallway, and on the right here is a laboratory where we teach our majors in their junior and senior year. And I'll go in the other door here. This is the what we call our super lab, where we do physical chemistry, inorganic, analytical, and biochemistry. On the left here is a research lab and an office, another faculty office. This is my office. I'm Bob Cluss. I am a biochemist in the department. And here is, I'll just open up my lab door and turn the light on. And this is my research lab, to give you an idea of what research labs look like in this building. These are student desks. I have two long lab benches in the middle here, and a biological control cabinet right there, and some freezers and refrigerators on the right. We all have active research programs in the department, and we have students working in our labs in the summer and all year long. We have posters in the hallway that actually show some of what we do. These are a couple of posters of the work that we've done in my group. This is that big lab that I mentioned before, which is the lab where we teach our juniors and seniors. Let's see if I can get these lights to come on here. They have to be triggered by me moving around in the room. There we go. And so we're kind of getting ready for the academic year here, but really very spacious. And our seniors, our juniors and seniors really enjoy working in that laboratory intensive environment. We have a cold room on the right here, where we do a lot of our biochemistry purifications inside. And open this up here, and more faculty offices on the left, and we have some instrument labs here. Just one example here has some freezers and a centrifuge. So these are spaces that we all use and share in the department. And students really are able to use all the equipment that we have, and just about all the equipment that we have in the department and instrumentation is used both for research and for teaching. It's one of the kind of hallmarks of being at a liberal arts college. This is our view to the west here, and I'm going to go upstairs to the fifth floor and show you some of the teaching spaces up there. So we're going up the central staircase right now, up to the fifth floor. These are the central elevators in the building. Again, the beautiful view out to the west, and you can see there are even some cows out there that you can probably pick out through that window. But a great view of the Adirondacks to the west. And this is the fifth floor here, and this is where some of the teaching labs are. This is a lot like the fourth floor in terms of its layout. And I'm just going to show you one teaching lab up here, and this is one of the introductory chemistry labs. This will be our last stop on this tour, and let's see if I can get the lights to come on in here. So this is a lab that is taken by our students who take Chemistry 103, and it's the first of our chemistry series. The more advanced chemistry students come in at a somewhat higher level. I'm going to walk over into the connecting Chem 104 lab, which is right here. So this is our Chem 104 lab. So this is the lab that is the second in the sequence of the freshman chemistry labs. You can see we have hoods that line the outside of the room, which is a safer way to teach laboratory. This is another connecting lab prep space here, and this takes us into our organic chemistry lab, teaching lab. And this space, again, has many hoods that line the outside, and I'm going to turn the lights on in this room so we can see better. And we're also kind of getting ready for the academic year, but this room has either 33 or 34 hoods in it, so students all work in an individual hood when they're doing the lab. And this is a really exciting development here. This is our brand new, just installed $750,000 NMR that our students use in it's a 600 hertz NMR, and our students use this in their lab, in the organic 204 class, as well as in research. So that's a look at some of the research space and all the teaching space in the department. And please get back to either the department chair or to Judy Mayer if you have any other questions about anything. So thanks very much. Bye-bye.